You know how it is on a busy construction site. A quick verbal yes or a nod seems like the fastest way to keep things moving. But what happens when that simple nod ends up causing a major disaster? Well, today we're going to break down the one simple document that can save you from a world of trouble. Just think about it for a second. The pressure's on, a quick decision gets made on the fly, and everybody just moves on. But then, weeks later, that one casual conversation can just explode into a massive problem. And believe me, this is a scenario that plays out on job sites every single day. And without a paper trail, it's a total domino effect. You start with disputes over who said what. That immediately leads to costly delays. Those delays throw your entire schedule completely off track, and it all ends exactly where you'd expect, with lost money and, honestly, broken trust.
So let's just call this what it really is, a costly verbal handshake. It's that exact moment when a casual agreement turns into a huge financial liability.
Picture this, because it's a real nightmare scenario. You're digging and you uncover a serious contaminant. The client just looks at you and says, just deal with it. Wait, what does that even mean? Who's paying for the specialized removal? What about the project delay? Without any documentation, you are absolutely left holding the bag.
Thankfully, there is a professional solution that is designed to prevent this exact situation. Think of it as your shield against all that ambiguity. And it's called the CVI.
And what's so brilliant about this is just how simple the whole concept is. The CVI, which stands for Confirmation of Verbal Instruction, is basically just a receipt. I mean, you get one when you buy a coffee, right? The CVI does the exact same thing, but for instructions on a construction site. It is your proof of the transaction.
Now, the crucial point here is that this is a formal document. It's issued by you, the contractor, to get that verbal order down in writing. It's designed to cover any change to the project's scope, whether that's an addition, something you're taking out, or just a variation in the work.
Okay, just a quick heads up here. Do not get CVI mixed up with CVR. CVR stands for Cost Value Reconciliation. That's a financial reporting tool. It's a totally different tool for a totally different job. Here, we are focused squarely on the CVI, the document that confirms instructions.
So why is this thing so critical? Well, the CVI formally documents any changes, and that protects your right to get paid for extra work and to get the time extensions you obviously need. It just completely removes the guesswork from any scope changes.
All right, so we know what a CVI is, but what makes one truly effective? Let's break down the anatomy of a strong CVI, one that will actually protect you when it really matters.
A strong CVI isn't just a quick note, it's a complete package. It should have any revised drawings or sketches, updated specs, and this is crucial, a cost and time impact assessment. And of course, relevant site records, like photos. See, together, all these things create a comprehensive and, frankly, undeniable record of the change.
Okay, so you have all the components, but how do you put them into action? Let's walk through the simple process of turning a spoken word into a completely bulletproof document.
The whole life cycle is really straightforward. First, the instruction is given. Second, and this part is so critical, you, the contractor, draft the CVI immediately, like right away. Third, you submit it for review. Fourth, it gets signed and returned. And finally, both sides keep a copy. This simple process creates that undeniable record you're definitely going to need later on.
But what if you send it and you just get crickets? Silence. Well, this is where the CVI becomes incredibly powerful. You see, many contracts state that if the other party doesn't object within a specific time frame, that instruction is considered accepted. Silence literally becomes your confirmation.
So, what's the big picture here? Why does mastering this one document really separate the pros from the amateurs? Well, it all comes down to creating an undeniable audit trail. Look, here's the bottom line. The CVI eliminates ambiguity. It transforms one of those messy, he said, she said arguments into a clean, professional, documented record. It's all about stopping disputes before they can even get started. It all boils down to this one powerful mantra for every single project site. If it's not in writing, it wasn't instructed. Internalizing this one principle and then using the CVI to enforce it is your absolute best defense against misunderstandings, disputes, and financial loss.
And that brings us to our final thought. As you leave this explainer, I really want you to think about this question. What is one verbal agreement, one casual instruction, or one of those, we'll figure it out later conversations that's happening on your project right now that really should be documented with a CVI today.